How to use Qeepl properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Qeepl is a productivity and team collaboration platform designed to streamline communication, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce its effectiveness. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not organizing projects correctly. Most people get this wrong by creating scattered tasks and channels. Start by setting clear project folders and categories, so your team knows exactly where to find information. Second mistake, ignoring notifications. You won't believe how many users miss updates because they don't configure alerts. Enable push notifications or email reminders for critical tasks to stay on top of deadlines. Third mistake, underutilizing integrations. The surprising truth is that Qeepl connects with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom. Beginners often use Qeepl in isolation, missing opportunities for automation and streamlined workflows. Fourth mistake, not setting permissions properly. Many users accidentally give full access to everyone, which can lead to mistakes or data exposure. Assign roles carefully to protect sensitive information while keeping collaboration smooth. Finally, not reviewing analytics or progress is common. Qeepl provides insights on task completion and team performance. Use these metrics to adjust workflows, identify bottlenecks, and boost productivity. By organizing projects, managing notifications, leveraging integrations, setting proper permissions, and tracking analytics, you can use Qeepl efficiently. Avoid these beginner mistakes and your team will communicate better, meet deadlines, and get more done with less stress.